Yeah, that's excuses. I don't know. I think you're in 2015.
Okay, so today we have the Hyper Tough 7.5 amp impact wrench. Secret is this is actually a Porter Cable model number 210 PCE 210 impact wrench. This is a $110 Porter Cable impact wrench for $38 from Walmart. Okay, so the outside frame here is glass fiber, PA 30%, glass fiber reinforced nylon. This is aluminum alloy. This anvil is a hog ring anvil. It's hardened steel. I believe it's 8650. It might be chrome vanadium. So here we are, hardened steel anvil. Looks to be about a 2-inch, might be a 3-inch anvil. Here we go. This is the hammer. It's a nice hardened steel. Once again, it's very large. It goes into a nice heavy spring here. Nice heavy steel spring going into another hardened pinion gear into the back. All nice, covered in grease. Going into another hardened pinion gear here. Into another hardened pinion gear in the back. And then we have the sun gear behind it that goes into the motor. Behind that we have a metal bushing. Behind this we have our commutator bar, our back bearing here. This back bearing does look to be a 6082 no name YS Chinesium ball bearing. Just a regular no name fan here. This was balanced here. Here's the cuts for balance. There's a lot of resin right here on the commutator. Right here you can tell it was brushed. It was pre-lined here. So the brushes make a good alignment here. Not too thick of a wire gauge there, but there is a lot of epoxy. Looks pretty decent. Now going into the back here, we just have some, of course, our magnets on our motor. Going into the back there, if you can see in the back, those are going to be the brushes. They're very large. They look to be very nice. We're now going to go into the back here. Or actually, no. We're now going to take a look at the finger mechanism here, the trigger mechanism. My apologies. It's forward and reverse. Nothing special here. It's not a variable speed trigger. It's just full go. Nice staked on here. Screws. Nice thick gauge wire. Once again, staked on in the back. Thick gauge wire. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong here. Pretty basic design. Now going into the back. Once again, this back casing here is glass nylon, glass fiber, reinforced nylon, 30%. And then this looks to be some thermal plastic elastomer right here as the grip. It might be butylene rubber, I'm not sure. I believe it's thermoplastic though. Looks like TPE. There is no stamp. There is a stamp for the plastic. Like I said, it's glass fiber reinforced, 30%. by volume. Okay, so like I said, guys, Porter cable, 110 bucks. Walmart, 38 bucks. This is a no-brainer. All hardened steel, especially for you home gamers. Look at this once again. Beautiful wiring here, heat shrunk. Everything goes into nice. Looks like brass, might be copper, but it looks like brass. Brush holders here, heat shrunk tubing. Nice thick wire gauge here. Looks like it's 18 American wire gauge here. Once again, nice heat shrink. Once again, nice thick rigid plastic. You can go into the motor there. Those are nice huge brushes. Those are huge brushes. Those are going to last you a long time. Honestly, once again, for any home gamer, this is a no-brainer. 250 foot-pounds. It's going to get most of your car things done. It's going to change the tires, no problem. 38 bucks for a $110 drill. It's a no-brainer. Okay, so thank you guys. Have a good night. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.